Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am trying out the one makeup product that I got in my Boxycharm base box this month, and it's the Ciate London Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. I can't believe that I only got 2 makeup products total in both of my Boxycharm boxes, and both of the makeup products were liquid eyeshadows. But I am really excited and intrigued by this. It sounds really beautiful. I got this in the shade Ember, and I was looking this up on the Ciate London website, and I saw that it comes in 3 shades and they all look so pretty. There was a blue version and a pink version. It retails for $20, which seems very pricey to me considering how tiny this is. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it says this liquid eyeshadow has shade-shifting, color-flipping pigments to create an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like and to swatch it. Don't know how I feel about this applicator. It seems a little tricky to use, but it's basically a rounded tip doe foot. So let's start out with that swatch. Whoa, that is cool. So here it kind of looks red, right? And then it kind of looks green when it shifts. That is really fun. I am really into makeup products like this, and it seems super pigmented. Cool. I love something a little different and unique. So it says you just dot it onto the lid and then blend it out. So I'm gonna try that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm also going to have to try like painting this on because I love how it looks super pigmented. Not the easiest thing to blend. And as I'm blending it out, I feel like it's just kind of looking a little gray, and it looks barely metallic. Okay, let's layer it up some more. Ooh, so now that it's actually a little bit more visible on the lid, it looks really, really cool with the way the light hits it. So it kind of looks like it transitions from red to the golden green shade on the outer corner, depending on the way my eye catches the light. So yeah, actually that built up to be really pigmented as I blended it out and layered it up a little bit, so that actually looks really good. Wow, so neat. Because of the way it shifts colors when it catches the light, it creates a whole complete eyeshadow look with a different contour kind of shade going on, and it can even blend up and diffuse into the crease. So you can get a really cool complete eyeshadow look with just this one product, which I really like in a single type of eyeshadow product. So look at that. Wow. Oh, I like this. I do like this shade, but I think I'd really like it also in the blue or the pink version. So if you have tried those colors, definitely let me know how they are in the comments down below. And even though this sounds like a really funky product, I actually think this is a very wearable eyeshadow look. More of like a going out evening look, but pretty easy to pull off and super easy to apply. Wow, I can't stop looking at it. That looks so good. All right, so now on this eye, I kind of want to try just painting it and not blending it and just seeing how cool and intense that looks. What? Okay, weird. As I'm trying to apply it, it's just kind of balling up. It's like pilling as I'm trying to paint it on the lid. Do you see that? All over that lid? All of the pilling? And I don't have any other product on my eyelid. It's not like I'm wearing an eyeshadow primer that's pilling up underneath. It's just the product isn't painting on evenly. So maybe that's why it didn't say to just paint it on and it said to blend it out with your finger. But I mean, the intensity, the pigment pretty much looks the same on the eye blended out versus where I painted it. So I'm just going to try and blend it and like flatten out that pilling. Weird. It does smooth out though when I blend it with my finger now, but that is very interesting. So you actually can't wear it, just paint it on. And it has dried down, it feels like. So let me take a clean finger and see. A little bit of transfer. Let's see on this eye. A little bit of transfer, but it feels like a powdered texture that it's dried down to. But this really is unique with the color shifting and how it looks like I've applied 2 color eyeshadows onto my eye that are just like perfectly blended ombre, but it's really just the way the light catches it, which will really intrigue someone that's looking at your eyes to be like, wow, it's changing colors. So I like that. I think I will definitely get good use out of this because it looks so cool. And I'm noticing it flatters my green hazily eyes. This color does. So, ooh. And no creasing, which is great. So overall, I'm really happy and excited about this. Yeah, the more I'm looking at my makeup, the more I am really enjoying this. And, you know, actually this is day 1197 of trying a new makeup product every day for me. And this feels so unique and different, which I've tried out so many products, clearly. So I'm just extra excited that this is different and so cool and so pretty. If you know of any other shifting makeup products out there, let me know in the comments down below because I am really into this. I feel like it takes the metallic holographic makeup, which I really like, but to the next level. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.